Hello everybody, today I make a stuffed flounder. I want to show everybody that this is really good for the big holiday. I need 4 pieces of flounder, 1 in the barrel and 1 in the top. I gotta do 4. I got 1 extra. And what I want to do, I want to cut it and I put it together for the stuffed. Like this, we got more fish inside. And what I do, I cut it like this in half. I cut it again in half, like that. I gotta make not too big a piece. And now we cut a dice like that. Okay, now this is a cut. We put right over here. And now we go on the stove. And we put the oven on 400 degrees. Okay. Now we start these pots and we put oil. We put the gas a little high, and we got the garlic. Now, the stuffed flounder, I make this way, it's really come out good. I cook the stuffed before I put in the oven. Like this, it cook more beautiful and got more taste. The flounder, it cook first. I put 1 piece on the bottom, 1 piece on the top, and the stuffed they gotta go in the middle. In my family, everybody wait for this stuffed flounder for the big holiday. You know, the big holiday, everybody know, it's for Christmas. The day before the Christmas, the 24th, I gotta cook a lot of fish. Let's start with the garlic. And look at the garlic already. It gives a really good smell. Okay, now we start put the scallops. This is a bay scallops, and we give a little turn of the scallops. Cause this, it's not too big the scallops. Okay, I use this kind, cause you use the big one, you gotta chop the same size anyway. And now we put the shrimp. And the shrimp, I use the size of the shrimp, a little small. Okay, you don't gotta use the big one, okay, you gotta chop. Like this shrimp, it's 31.40 per pound. Now we put this other fish over here, it's the flounder I was cut. And we give a little turn on this. And now it's a time, I want to put some of the butter, saute together. Look at this butter, beautiful, nice color. This is a really good butter. Okay. We raise the flame a little bit. Now I melt the butter all together. Okay, now we put a little salt and black pepper. And now I gotta put a little parsley. We give a little turn on the parsley. And I put a little breadcrumb, but not too much. I spread it like this. It's enough for the breadcrumb. Okay, now it's almost everything ready, but I want to put a little wine right over here on this side. I want to give a good taste for the stuffed. Now, you got the wine over here, and when it starts to boil, I mix everything together. Okay, look at this. The wine boil. It gives a good taste for my stuffed. It's done, and now we bring on the table the stuff of the flounder. And now we gotta stuff the fish, the flounder, and let's do like this. Make sure the stuff is good. Okay, now this is done, and we put a little breadcrumb, not too much like this, little breadcrumb on the top. And I got a little parsley, we give a little bit more the green. I got over here 2 pieces of flounder. This is for cover the top, like this. We put one over here and make sure the pack good. Got this, like that. And got another one over here. But look a nice piece of flounder. This is really, really good. Okay, let me wash my hands now. Okay, now this, we put the little breadcrumb right on the top. Okay, when you cook it, make a nice color. Both sides, both fish. And we put a little butter on the top. And we do like this. Both fish. Okay, now this you gotta go in the oven. And I want to put a drop of water, not too much. It's enough. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Oh. Okay. That's about 30 minutes. And let's see my flounder. Okay. Look how beautiful it look. Oh, it smells so good. Now, I'll leave it cool off a little bit. And I want to put one piece on one dish, because I want to taste it. Today it's freeze outside. What I did a beautiful fire, and I was making nice stuffed flounder. And now, I want to taste it. Okay, let's cut this flounder. And look how beautiful. Oh, look at the shrimp. Yeah. Everybody waited for this dish for Christmas. Salud e chin chin.